Okay, so stepping out of the airport, the first thing we realize it's cold. It's cold today. Yeah. So we need to look for a driver. He's supposed to have our name. So this is outside of the airport. So we're gonna wait for a driver now and head to our Airbnb. Yeah man, it's cold. Yeah, wash your hands, Bobby. Oh, what fell? Your bag open?
I'm good. I don't need my jacket as yet. That as yet. Kim packed her jacket in the suitcase and she took mine.
Actually, my jacket dirty.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, I have two. And I have sweaters as well.
I have a trench coat.
Yeah. But I'm really loving this weather, guys. I really live for this weather.
Not different from me.
In Jamaica, it's hot most of the times. So whenever I get this weather, I'm really happy. Really happy for this. I mean, tonight, I'm missing a different tune. But I'm really loving the weather and the temperature right now.
We are walking downtown Cusco City, walking from that up there where our Airbnb is. We're just gonna take it low-key. I am so dizzy and just want to eat something right now and then go back to Airbnb. So yeah, my lips are, it's so cold. What a difference from Lima, man. God.
Go over there, so.
On this side? Yeah, we're gonna go over that side. Cocoa tea, definitely necessary. Hot chocolate for Bob, and a lemon pie. Waiting for the food, but this is gonna hit the spot.
So this is how Cusco looks at night.
Yes, downtown Cusco.
Downtown Cusco.
Downtown area.
Yeah.
But like we've been doing like different experiences at different places. Like in Lima, we stay at different places. We can't talk.
Let's save the talking for another time.
We'll go upstairs. We'll go
Yeah, but in the incoming days we'll be going into the city center. But it's good so far. The rain is coming down, guys. I hope I'm not sick after this. Pray to God. The last time I was in Bogota, I was braving the rain, thinking I could be Superman, and ended up getting sick. Can't afford to be sick before Machu Picchu.
Alright, so we're in a supermarket. We're just getting some stuff for our apartment. Got a batteries. We should get some ramens too, yeah.
Which one? This or this?
Non-spicy please. Yeah. Alright, yeah, get the cup ones as well. So yeah, just need to get some little essentials. And that's pretty. I want to take it slow. And yeah, because I cold
Just like
and the altitude me kind of puffed. I just want to go upstairs and turn on the heater and just sleep. That's all I want to do at this point. We just want to have some stuff in the fridge because for tomorrow I don't want to leave. I just want to sleep because we have been going and we're so tired, and then the altitude on top of it. I haven't really been, I don't know. Hakeem is currently in the shower, but I can speak for him. He's like having like a little bit of trouble breathing, but not that much. Oh, another thing, they gave us oxygen. Like we have an oxygen tank in our Airbnb, so that's always so thoughtful. So you literally just kind of put it together and you use it, so if we have that problem. And also for the altitude sickness, I bought Dramamine, which is like a pill, and we have these, which are acupuncture wristbands. So they literally, you know, like press against the wrist, and it helps you to manage the altitude sickness a little bit better, motion sickness, anything like that. So yeah, I am just gonna go get ready to watch some TV and then go to bed. I'll share the details of our Airbnb. We are staying in a more rustic, not rustic, it's a little more authentic type of Airbnb, but it has those luxury comforts that we look for, like hot water. The place cold, so we have a heater in the bedroom going right now. In all my Jamaican life, I never have to use a heater before unless I heat my water. So that's a new experience. A Sunday evening stroll, yeah. So we're just looking around. We're gonna go and oh yeah, it's up here. Okay. Alright, so we're just realized, okay, so we're just walking along. We're gonna look and see if we can find one shop, which is where we're gonna be leaving from tomorrow to go for a train ride up to Aguas Calientes, and then we're gonna after that go up to Plaza de Armas and just look around and probably grab something to eat there. Yeah. Oh, this is cute. What is this? Oh, cute.
Oh, yeah. This is
look at your jacket. Your jacket is so cool. The red rose. So guys, we are like in the more urban area of Cusco. So there's like a really nice hotel right there, and there's a craft market along here. But we're still walking along to find one chock. But if you want to stay really close, like smack dab in the center, this is a good spot to be. We are staying more downtown. So it's so you have options in Cusco. You can, you know, stay down this side. Plaza de Armas is way up there, so if you want to go to Plaza de Armas, you have to go walk. Huh? Oh, we need to cross the road. Okay. Be there at 7:20.
Yes, in one train station.
So okay, so down there. Okay. And it's a bus that carries us, or is it a train that carries us?
Yes, one train station are open. So just to be sure, we stopped at Peru Rail. It's on the main street still, so you know you can't miss it at all. Where are you going? You're going up now?
Look at these doggies! guys, we're just you stop saying so guys. Oh my gosh,
So
guys. We are sitting at Plaza de Armas. It's beautiful here. It's a Saturday, so there's a lot of people. We're trying to decide between it's a Sunday. So this restaurant or this one, we're not sure yet, but yeah. That's pretty much what we're doing right now, just chilling.
Así que chicos.
What are you doing? So guys, okay, so instead of saying so guys, I'm gonna say así que chicos. Anyway.
Alright, so one thing, it's beautiful here.
Yeah.
But you're going to be interrupted a lot.
Yeah, because people are selling stuff and people are gonna approach you, especially because we stick out like sore thumbs. Like where we are now, we haven't seen many black people that look like us. So we're kind of sticking out. And they'll stop us and they'll be like, where are you from? Yeah, we're like, where are you from? Or then we tell them Jamaica and then they start saying,
I got a new one. I got a new one from Brazil.
Oh,
yeah,
guys
from Brazil.
But that's a good thing about being Jamaican. You look like everybody. And that's amazing. So yeah, so once you tell them we're Jamaican, they're like, "Oh Marley, you're saying both." Da, 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 da. And then they start, but it's love. We've never felt like, disrespected or anything. So it's a nice little vibe. The hospitality here is really, really good. That's one thing for sure.
Same thing, me as well. Watch it.
I gotta no, but this is
literally literally seconds after.
The lady was so cute, and she come and she said she wasn't even like bite. She was just like
nobody's been bite.
No, some of them are rough. So this is me in my hat, and I have my hat, and I'm happy with it.
Happy for you.
Happy for me. Food time. Outside? Yes.
Oh, chief. It looks like
you have yuca? Yuca fries?
Give me a second, I'm going to ask
Thank you, yes. Okay. We're here at the airport. What is this? Fusion Andina? Yeah, the altitude, we kind of, and then we went up the stairs.
I want to be seriously fast.
I know, you would have to drink some water, Baba. Alright, so we're here at this place. Is it backwards? It's gonna be backwards. Fusion Andina. This is where we are. It's gorgeous, and we have a view. Look at the view, it's really nice. We have a view of the entire Plaza de Armas. See the Cusco flag right there. Right there. Shrimps. Look at this. Creole soup. You want to try? Well, I'm going to try that for sure. Yeah, this looks good, right? Creole soup. We just ordered our food. One thing I wanted to point out though, being in Cusco from morning, it's Sunday morning, and we've been hearing like some loud explosions. So when we first wake up this morning, I hear it, we thought they were gunshots. The Jamaicans we are. We just think they're gunshots. And we're like, what is up with yourself, man? And then our Airbnb host explained to us that on Sundays it's like a church thing. Like they let off like explosions. I'm not even sure like what it's tied to.
Symbolism.
It's like, I don't know if it's a symbolism.
We'll find out.
Yeah, we'll find out and here, but he said it's a church thing, so we're like, okay. So they've been going the explosions have been going off since like morning, like from like 6:30 this morning when we woke up, and they're still going on now. It's after 3. So you see the white smoke, so it comes from up that side. So yeah, explosions. Look out for that. I'm gonna eat this off, and I have lasagna coming, and I ordered a pizza to go. You see them something, you see what I said? But always do this.
Rough by you.
You have to go help me eat.
No.
Yeah, you have to go help me. You have to go help me. Alright, so this is like one of the square, because I feel like up top there's a lot of festivity going on, but here so it's like
I think this is the actual square.
You think this is the actual square?
You have the there are a lot of different buildings.
Yeah. And as we say, you go and get your passport stamped right there. Huh? Yeah. So we're trying to decide where to eat lunch before we go back to our train because we have the train to catch. But yeah, this is the square. Hi, cutie pie. Oh, okay, gracias. All right, so we're going to this restaurant called Yellow. Yellow. I just want some yucca fries.
Can I have the Shirley Temple?
Shirley Temple?
Can I have you have season?
Thank you. Pumpkin soup with bread, spicy sauce, and papas fritas. And here, guys, barbecue wings. Taking in the sun.
Listen, we're going back to Cusco, and we just have to take the sun.
Take the sun where we can, because right now it's nice and warm.
Right now it's in the bottle. I'm carrying it back with me.
The sun is in the bottle. Guys, it's freezing back where we're going, so yeah, sun bathing.
We're arriving at 8:30.
Yeah.
So
we are going to our train. Hola, hola. So, hola. Oh, gracias. 3 and 4. Okay, so we are heading back to hola. Back to Cusco. But we're taking the train to and then we're going to take the bus from there Ollantaytambo to Cusco. So we're on this train. It's supposed to be a different train. It's still Peru rail. We decided to try this one, which is the A car. Back when we came up it was the B car. Now it's the A car. There's a lot of stuff. You want to explain to people what's going on
Damas y
now?
caballeros, pero un rey le agradece su preferencia y le da la más cordial
So we are on
bienvenida
our way
al
back. Finally, I see an alpaca. Hola. See, photo. Oh, hi. Can touch?
Sí, túcale.
Hi. Soft.
is he heavy?
Only bull. She
Oh,
is the baby está acá.
The baby. Oh, it's so cute. Taking pictures as well. Hello. What's up? We are at McDonald's. Oh, what's up? We don't have McDonald's in Jamaica, so it's always a nice little treat when we get to try McDonald's in different countries. So yeah, we've done Panama, we've done Colombia, now we're doing Peru's McDonald's.
you done? Done?
No, we didn't leave the yeah. But yeah, so we're gonna try it. And today's what, Thursday? Today's Wednesday. Yeah. Today's Wednesday. So we had a late start this morning. But yeah, we are out chilling. We got pictures with alpacas. Because we went to Machu Picchu and
Even in the most commercialized places like McDonald's, you have touches
yeah,
Inca
heritage.
heritage.
This McDonald's is actually really nice. It's like in an old historical like type of building, and then there's an upstairs part right there. But we can't matter what the stairs, cause we walk and climb from. Not bad at all. Let me see your bites.
Bites.
Is here so? I'm not here so. Oh, okay. Keto.
And then on a Persian food right now. Oh yeah, they do.
Which one do I want? I think got this one. It's called Lukuma, and it tastes like chiffon butter. You know, if you're Jamaican, you know chiffon butter. And I got the Oreo one. We have decided to do a bus tour, as if we haven't had enough buses in our life since we've been here. So it costs 60 soles in total, 30, and it's going to be an open top bus tour. The tour is at 3:30, so we have a little bit of time to just sit and get some sun in, because the sun is out today and it's really nice.
It's 2:30 now.
It's 2:30. It's 2:30 now? Okay, so it's not that long of a wait. So we're just going to sit and chill and just, talk, people watch, and maybe sort through some footage. Yeah.
Now we're going to the bus stop, friends, okay? We're gonna walk through from here. We cannot take the bus in the main square because it's not allowed for this kind of buses.
Oh, okay.
So we gotta walk anyways, okay, friends? It's just 2 blocks. So
So we're walking a couple blocks because we have to go to the bus area. They can't carry the bus down to the square.
not drinking yet. We're gonna wait for the others, and once everyone gets a small cup, we're gonna make a cheers in Quechua language, the India's language. So all your attention, friends.
Nosotros también todavía vamos a brindar. Esperemos un rato, vamos a
Gracias.
Bueno, ante todos, muy buenas tardes. ¿Cómo se encuentran, amigos?
Hola.
¿Qué pasó? Así no van a llegar a ese Cristo Blanco a ver con más ganas. ¡Ay, kusunchis!
I have kusunchis.
¡Kay miskiu hanata!
Kanata.
No dije Hakuna Matata. Dije hanata. A ver, vamos a hacer algo más cortito, ¿está bien? Wichayman.
Wichayman.
Urayman.
Urayman.
Chaupiman.
Chaupiman. Ukuman.
Está adentro, salud. Disfrútenlo, tiene que ser del cuna, ¿eh? ¿Qué les pareció? Riquísimo, ¿verdad? Lo que dijimos fue, brindemos esta dulce bebida arriba, abajo, para...
Gorgeous. What? Stop.
Viene de una forma bastante rústica y tradicional. Y la parte de ser un descendiente inca es un pampamisayo, un chamán andino. Solamente los chamanes pueden hacer este tipo de ceremonia.
Anapacha,
Canapacha,
Keipacha,
Caipacha,
Pocopacha,
Ucupacha,
Yanapawaiko,
Yanapawaiko,
Calpanchawaiko,
Caipanchawaiko,
Intitaita,
Intitaita,
Quillamama,
Quillamama,
Ashkamama,
Chastamama,
Taitawaira.
Taitahuala. Y a través de ese humo están siendo llevados estos mensajes a los apus, a
at this one.
Delicious.
About to head home, start packing.
So we're back in Lima for the last night. We check out at 3:30 a.m. tomorrow. So, how does it feel to be back in Lima, Bro?
It's just been on the go.
Yeah, I'm hungry. I'm so hungry. I just want to eat something.
Yeah.
At this point.
At least we're used to the temperature.
Yeah, it's warm now. So, it's what's the room? 11:50. Smells new. Oh, this way. This is the number there. So. Yeah, it smells like brand new.
Hola.
This is it? Okay, so this is the room for the night. Okay. So it's a red vibe. There's a ooh. Okay. Ooh, AC is not even on yet and I'm cool. Alright. Turn this on first thing because it is 27 degrees right now, 27 degrees Celsius. I love that whoosh sound. Let me see the bathroom with the light there. Okay, this is nice. This is the bathroom, so it's really good. So let's go we're just gonna go downstairs and get something to eat now.
Yeah, you may hear now. What's up?
Okay, so this is for late lunch. Risotto with shrimp. And a club sandwich with fries. This is the area you want to live, guys. Like a lot of nice apartments and nice cars and everything. Ooh. Like a nice restaurant right there. Okay, this is my kind of park. It's called Park Kennedy, and it's just a park full of cats that you can just play with. And they keep food out for them. There's like an adoption kiosk right there. Yeah. Hi. Hello. Hi. Hi, cutie pie. You're so cute. I want all of them. Hakeem, I want all of them. They're just chilling. So this is Park Kennedy. There's a restaurant right there if you want to eat and stuff, but it's beautifully maintained. Here because we have an early flight tomorrow, about 6 o'clock, so we're gonna leave the hotel at about 3:30. But if you have any questions or anything, you can leave them in the comments below, or you can follow us on Instagram, The Country Edit XO, follow us on TikTok, The Country Edit XO, and you can leave comments there. We're gonna post some more content there, reels and everything. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Anything to say about?
I'm tired.
Yeah, we are missing home a little bit, but this is a nice end to our time, just being in this beautiful park in the middle of Lima City, with all the cats. Miraflores. So yeah, until next time, guys. Bye.